planning for your honeymoon but you're stuck between Vietnam and Bali? Don't worry, you're not alone. Both the destinations are exotic, romantic, affordable, filled with culture, food, and nature, but they both offer very different experiences. So, let's break it down the real way. No sugarcoating, no brochure talk, just an honest comparison between the two to help you choose your dream honeymoon destination.
Bali screams honeymoon. Think private pool villas, floating breakfast, flower baths, beach clubs, and jungle swings. Ubud gives you peace, Canggu gives you parties, and Uluwatu gives you cliffs and sunsets. You literally see honeymoon vibes around every corner. Vietnam. Vietnam is more diverse, less curated, but still magical. Imagine a lantern-lit boat ride in Hoi An, a sunset cruise in Ha Long Bay, or cycling past rice fields in Ninh Binh. It's more real and romantic in a less commercial way.
Final verdict: Bali wins for Instagrammable, romantic aesthetics, and Vietnam wins for crazy experiences that you'll actually remember 10 years later.
Things to do as couple. Vietnam for couples. Cruise in Ha Long Bay or Cat Ba with kayaking and sunset views. Lantern making and boat rides in Hoi An. Cafe hopping in Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City. Nature trails, temples and beach days in Da Nang or Nha Trang. Adventure options, caves, hikes and motorbike trips. Bali for couples. Jungle swings and scenic rice terraces in Ubud. Spa days and flower baths. Private beach dinners in Seminyak or Nusa Dua. Visit temples, waterfalls or take a day trip to Nusa Penida. Sunset cocktails in cliffside bars.
Final verdict: Bali is more curated and couple-centric, while Vietnam offers adventure, more variety, charm, more experiences.
Food and dining. Vietnam. Food is an experience here. Slurp pho in Hanoi, eat banh mi on a street corner, try grilled seafood on a beach. Cafes are everywhere and egg coffee? It's life-changing. It's more casual but crazy flavorful. Bali. Bali is a cafe paradise. Smoothie bowls, candlelit vegan dinners, sunset rooftop dining. It's all about presentation. You'll find every cuisine here.
Final verdict: Bali wins on aesthetics and international variety, while Vietnam wins on flavor, culture, and affordability.
Weather and best time to visit. Vietnam. October to April. Northern Vietnam gets chilly in winter. Central and south remain warm, but avoid peak monsoon in summer. Bali. April to October. November to March is monsoon. Expect rain but still doable.
Final verdict: Bali has more consistent weather, while Vietnam offers cool mountain escapes and seasonal variety.
Budget and cost breakdown. Vietnam. Budget friendly, street food under 200 rupees. Boutique stays from rupees 1500 per night. Domestic flights are cheap. You can have a luxury honeymoon under rupees 1 lakh easily. Bali. Mid-range to high-end. Private pool villas start at rupees 3000, go still up to 10,000 per night. Restaurants are pricier than Vietnam. More tourist pricing in popular areas. Final verdict: Vietnam wins on value for money. Bali wins if you're okay spending more for those dreamy honeymoon visuals. Crowd factor and vibe. Bali can get very touristy, especially in Ubud, Canggu and Seminyak. Expect traffic, influencers and travel TikTok in real life. Vietnam. Still relatively underrated for honeymoons, you'll find more authenticity and fewer honeymoon cliches. Cities are busy, but destinations like Hoi An and Ninh Binh are peaceful and uncrowded. The final decision. Which one's for you? Choose Bali if you want a classic, dreamy, luxury honeymoon. If you're into wellness, spas, cafe culture and curated experiences, you don't mind spending a bit more for aesthetics. And choose Vietnam If you want adventure, culture, food, and authenticity, you love variety in landscapes, from mountains to beaches, and you're okay with less polish but more depth.
Final and honest take. If you want a soft, dreamy, and luxurious trip, then go to Bali. If you're looking for an enriching, real, and wild experience, then Vietnam is your place. So that's it for now. ऐसे ही amazing travel content के लिए subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.